Hello everyone, we are from Basavareti BA and BCom College, Sampkinagar, Dharwad. Last class we are discussed about the what are the taxable incomes, exemption income, and perquisites are taxable in case of all employees ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ perquisites are taxable in case of specified employees ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ income from salary. Sri Vittal of Hubli, population 11 lakh, furnishes the following particulars of his income for the previous year 2018 and 19. Now the basic salary rupees 2000 per month and the dearness allowances rupees 150 per month enters into an retirement benefit. Bonus of rupees 4000 per annum, and then rent-free accommodation provided by the employer on the fair rental value of rupees 30,000 per annum. Cost of furniture provided therein rupees 10,000. Now the free use of a motor car of 1600 cc for both the official and person purpose. The running and maintenance expenses of the car including the driver's salary paid by the employer. Now the entertainment allowance is rupees 400 per month. His own contribution to recognized provident fund at 18% of his salary. Employer's contribution to the above fund is rupees 8,160 and interest on RPF at 12% of rupees 1,800. Compute the income from salary. We have to calculate the income from salary of Mr. Vittal. Now first we have to calculate the working notes. First calculation of salary for different purpose. Working note number 1. Calculation of salary for ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ನೋಡಿರಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಎ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಐತಿ, ಹೌದಾ? 10% ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, 15% ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ವರ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನಾವು ಮೋಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಪರ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಇದ್ನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೋಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಪರ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಎ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 2000 per month. 2000 into 12, 24,000. And then next DNS allowances. How much? 150 into 12, that is 1,800. And then next one, bonus. How much? Bonus rupees 4,000 per annum. Next, entertainment allowances. $400 into 12. Now the ಯಾವ ಅದರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. 25,800 then next 34,600 and then 34,600 less ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 16 ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು he is not a specified employee. Motor car perquisites are not taxable. ಮೋಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಪರ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ನಾವು ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ value of rent-free accommodation. Value of rent-free accommodation if the house is provided by the employer. House is provided by the employer with the population one lakh with having the population 11 lakh. Nodi more than 10 lakh, less than 10 lakh ittu andra 7.5% of his salary. More than 10 lakh ittu antandra more than 10 lakh, less than 25 lakh, we have to consider the 10% of a salary. Now the house is provided by the employer with the furnished house, with the furnished house. Therefore 10% of a salary. How much? 10% of a salary ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 34,000. ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 34,600. 10% into 34,600 is equal to how much? 3,460. and 10% cost of furniture. 10% cost of furniture, that is how much? 10% into cost of furniture amounted to rupees 10,000. That is 10% of 10,000 is equal to how much? 1,000. 3,460 plus 1,000 is equal to 4,460 is the taxable value of rent-free accommodation. Now the next working note. Here the RFA calculation ಆಗಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನು? ಫ್ರೀ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮೋಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಪರ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಪರ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ taxable because he is not a specified employee. That is, cash receipt is not exceeding the 50,000 per year. 50,000 per year ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Now the third working note. Motor car perquisites is not taxable because he is not a specified employee. He is not a specified employee. He is not a specified employee. That is, cash receipt or a monetary receipt does not exceeds rupees 50,000 per annum. Does not exceed 50,000 per annum. Now the next working note. Employees' contribution to recognized provident fund. It qualifies for deduction under section 80C. Now the next working note. Employees contribution to the recognized provident fund, it qualifies for deduction under section 80C. It does qualify for deduction under section 80C. Now the next working note. Calculation of taxable amount of employers contribution to the recognized provident fund. Total actual contribution of the employer. Actual contribution of the employer. How much? 8,160 less exemption up to 12% of a salary. 12% of salary. 12% into salary amount how much? 25,800. 12% into 25,800 is equal to how much? 3,096. Now 8,160 minus 3,096 is equal to 5,064 is the taxable value of employers' contribution to the RPF, recognized provident fund. Now the sixth working note. Calculation of taxable amount of interest credited to recognized provident fund, that is actual interest credited to RPF is equal to 1,800 less exempted up to 9.5% per annum. Exempted up to 9.5%. 9.5 into how much? 1,800 divided by 12%. That is 1,425. That is 1,425. Now the difference amount is how much? Difference amount 1,800 minus 1,425 is equal to 325 is the taxable value of interest credited to RPF. Interest credited to RPF. Now the seventh working note. Note entertainment allowances taxable income ಒಳಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 16(2) ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲವೆನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ. Now the seventh working note. No deduction no deduction is allowed for entertainment allowances because he is not a government employee or he is a non-government employee. He is a non-government employee. Now we have to move on the income, computation of income from salary. Now the heading computation of income from salary of Mr. Vittal for the assessment year 2020 and 21 and the previous year 2019 and 2020. Now the rupees and then particulars. Now first one, basic salary. How much? 2000 into 12, 24,000. Now the next, dearness allowances 150 into 12, that is 1800. Now the next, bonus per year ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 4000 rupees. Next, taxable value of rent free taxable value of rent free accommodation, working note number 2. Working note number 2. How much? Working note number 2, 4,460. 4,460. Now the next one is value of car perquisites. Value of car perquisites, working note number 3, that is nil. Here he is not a specified employee. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೋಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಪರ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲವೆನ್ಸಸ್. $400 into per month 400 into 12 is equal to how much? 4,800. 4,800. Now the next one is taxable amount of employers contribution to RPF. Working note number, employers contribution to RPF. How much? 5,064. Working note number 5. Working note number 5. 5,064. Now the next one, taxable amount of interest credited to recognized provident fund. Note number 6. Note number 6. How much? Rupees 325. How much? 325. Now the total 24,000, 1,800, 4,000, 4,000, 460, 4,800 and 5,064 plus 375 is equal to 44,499. 44,499 is the gross salary. 44,499 is the gross salary. Now the deductions. Less deductions. Under section 16, gross salary. How much? 44,499. First one, standard deduction. Under section 16(1)(a) is equal to amount 40,000 or gross salary of rupees 44,499, whichever is less. How much? 40,000. Now the second one, entertainment. Under section 16(2), nil. Third one, profession. Professional tax. Under section 16(3), nil. Now 44,499, 40,000, nil, nil. That is 4,499 is the income from salary. Income from salary. I hope you will understood the problems based on income from salary. Next class we will discuss about the another problem regarding the income from salary. Thank you. Have a nice day.